Here is the Cerec AC unit that we're putting up on eBay. It's in excellent condition. Virtually no marks. Everything works. It's been lightly used. You know, this front cover came off, but it's really not needed for a CD, which works just fine. Okay. This wand is one of the newer wands, and it's been replaced. The unit was in a dentist's office that worked with us for just a little while. I put up the software so that you guys can see. It's going to have a dongle, an unlimited dongle. You can see that this little check right here, there's the USB license. It's going to come with it in the dongle. So that's your software. Right? You've got the export on it, that's what I use. Basically, exit out. And we'll just come back in here. Open that case. Wait. It would be good to have like a memory upgrade on it. I have this clear RAM program on here that helps a lot with that for the bigger cases. Sometimes there'll be big cases, and on those, you do need it. And again, you can just do the upgrade with the RAM, and it's probably going to fix that. And waiting to load a case. I don't know if this helps. Like, do you think that helps? For years I've done it. Okay, and waiting so we can show a case. Whew. Okay. So usually I just use one of these, right? Because I've got while that's opening up, I'll just go ahead and show you this. What I do is put in Google Drive, or you can use Dropbox or whatever works for you. And so I just attach that in. I use Firefox in order to do anything that I need edited in. So you can see there's a case here that we've got that came up under amnesia. I'm amnesia, okay? So basically, I just open up this one patient. I might have different cases under this one, but when I save it and export it, that's when I'll add any references, numbers, and patient names, and etc. So that I don't have to constantly, I don't want to use up the memory on the drive on the computer. And so this is a way to keep things pretty thin and still have pretty lean. Okay. So anyway, so we've got our buckle, we've got our occlusal. You know, this was just a playing around, I think. This was just a model, you know. This wasn't even in the mouth here. So a lot of times I'll just use that pink stone or just a regular limestone, and we'll pour it up. And with this newer handpiece, it scans it. It's like not a problem. I don't know, but they fixed a lot of it in the software. Anyway, after I've scanned these and it's gone through and it's, you know, created the models and put it all together. I should probably pick one of these that has less frames in it, but not too bad. Okay, so this is gonna And it'd be okay. So we've got it. We've got our buckle, you know, and we can just come up here. Right, again, just hit that arrow, go export, right? Change it because we have the SDL export. Always use highest SDL, and then change that to, you know, wherever you want on your drive, like just anywhere. You can save it on the actual computer. I just don't like to. So I'd pick my drive or, you know, something in here, and I would just put a file name in and I would save it as an HTL. For you guys, you know, I'm a technician, so for you to be a dentist, you'd probably have this as one of your labs, and it could just, you'd share that file or that folder with your lab, and you don't ever have to do anything. It just scans, and you've named that file the patient name, and they know that, you know, you can even name the file the patient name and have a little text file in there, and or if you want, you can do it traditionally. I don't, you know, paying all of the subscriptions and all that jazz was not an option for a lab. So anyway, this gives you an idea. It works, and I think that's what you need, right? Is there anything else I'm missing here? Administration, I think. License manager, configuration. You can see the devices. There's a check on that. It works. I'll show you, but I'm having to hold the phone, so that makes it a little bit hard. My kids would help me out, but they're punks. Okay, yeah, no, everything's there. I don't use it, so you can see I don't use this as a traditional Connect because I'm not paying for all of that. So for me, it's just as easy to handle it myself, create a folder, and I give it to whoever I want, and then we can go from there, right? And it works. I got a lot of, so I don't upgrade the apps or anything. Everything is there. This is an unlimited dongle. You can scan with this. For as long as you want, you can scan with this and export those files in high res. And this scanner is amazing. It's better than 90% of the scanners out there, even though they're getting better, they're getting newer. This is from 2015, okay? And it's got a lot of bells and whistles on it, but there we go. I know this is a little too long. Let me just go around the back here. Okay. That's our battery right there. Won't need it. There's just a fan right here. Fan works well. There is our dongle that I'm going to put with this. And there is the information. Right? Now you know that's what they're saying the hardware version is. But we've got 4.6 on it. So you got 4.6, unlimited dongle. You can export the STLs to anywhere you want. Right. There it is.